In this enlightening video, we uncover the extraordinary relationship between gut health and overall well-being. Join us as we dive deep into the science behind the gut-brain axis and discover how our gut communicates with our brain. You'll be amazed by the profound impact gut health has on mental well-being, cognitive function, and mood regulation. Learn how nurturing your gut can lead to a healthier mind and body. Don't miss this journey into the fascinating world of the gut-brain connection. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Vitality Vault channel. This is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field of research, and I'm excited to share with you some of the latest insights into how our gut health and overall well-being are interconnected. The gut-brain connection is a complex bidirectional communication system between the digestive system and the central nervous system. This communication is mediated by a variety of factors, including the vagus nerve, hormones, and the gut microbiome. The vagus nerve is the longest nerve in the body, and it connects the gut directly to the brain. It carries signals back and forth, allowing the brain to communicate with the gut and the gut to communicate with the brain. Hormones are also involved in the gut-brain connection. For example, the gut produces hormones that regulate appetite, mood, and sleep. The gut microbiome is a community of trillions of microorganisms that live in our gut. The gut microbiome plays a vital role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. Gut health can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. A healthy gut supports a strong immune system, healthy digestion, and good mental health. When our gut is healthy, the good bacteria in our microbiome produce essential nutrients and vitamins, such as vitamin K and biotin. They also help to protect us from harmful bacteria and viruses. A healthy gut also helps to regulate our hormones. For example, the gut produces hormones that control appetite, mood, and sleep. The gut-brain connection is a complex and bidirectional communication system between the digestive system and the central nervous system. It is mediated by a variety of factors, including the vagus nerve, hormones, and the gut microbiome. Gut health and mental health. A number of studies have shown that gut health is linked to mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. For example, one study found that people with anxiety and depression had lower levels of certain beneficial bacteria in their gut microbiome. Another study found that people with obsessive-compulsive disorder had higher levels of inflammation in their gut. There are a few different ways that the gut microbiome may influence mental health. One way is through the production of neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that send signals between nerve cells. The gut microbiome produces a number of neurotransmitters, including serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid. These neurotransmitters play a role in mood regulation, anxiety, and depression. Another way that the gut microbiome may influence mental health is through the production of inflammatory cytokines. Cytokines are small proteins that are involved in the body's immune system. However, when cytokines are overproduced, they can lead to inflammation. Inflammation has been linked to a number of mental health conditions, including depression and anxiety. Gut health and cognitive function. Gut health has also been linked to cognitive function. One study found that people with a higher diversity of bacteria in their gut microbiome performed better on cognitive tests. Another study found that people with Alzheimer's disease had lower levels of certain beneficial bacteria in their gut microbiome. It is thought that the gut microbiome may influence cognitive function in a number of ways. One way is through the production of short-chain fatty acids. Short-chain fatty acids are produced when the good bacteria in the gut ferment dietary fiber. Short-chain fatty acids have been shown to improve cognitive function in animals, and there is some evidence that they may have the same effect in humans. Another way that the gut microbiome may influence cognitive function is through the production of neurotransmitters. The gut microbiome produces a number of neurotransmitters that are involved in cognitive function, such as acetylcholine and dopamine. Gut health and mood regulation. Gut health has also been linked to mood regulation. One study found that people with a higher diversity of bacteria in their gut microbiome had higher levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in mood regulation. Another study found that people with depression had lower levels of certain beneficial bacteria in their gut microbiome. It is thought that the gut microbiome may influence mood regulation in a number of ways. One way is through the production of neurotransmitters. The gut microbiome produces a number of neurotransmitters that are involved in mood regulation, such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid. Another way that the gut microbiome may influence mood regulation is through the production of inflammatory cytokines. Cytokines are small proteins that are involved in the body's immune system. However, when cytokines are overproduced, they can lead to inflammation. Inflammation has been linked to a number of mental health conditions, including depression and anxiety. There are a number of things you can do to nurture a healthy gut, like eating a healthy diet. A healthy diet for the gut includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It also includes fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Fermented foods contain probiotics, which are live bacteria that are beneficial for gut health. Avoiding processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt. They can also contain harmful additives. Eating too many processed foods can disrupt the gut microbiome. Managing stress. Stress can also disrupt the gut microbiome. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation, can help to improve gut health. Getting enough sleep. Sleep is important for overall health and well-being. It is also important for gut health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. With these tips, you can nurture a healthy gut and boost your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the gut-brain connection. Remember, a healthy gut leads to a happier mind and body. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Do you know how can I use my mind to heal my gut? Let me explain. Medicine is moving towards a more holistic approach to treating patients, and there is growing interest in finding non-medication treatment options. GI diseases are a great example of the positive effects of mind-body interventions on health. Because of the brain-gut axis, we can use psychological treatments to directly influence digestion. For example, hypnotherapy seems to have a quieting effect on the gut and has been shown to directly influence gut motility, gut secretions, and pain sensitivity. Cognitive behavioral therapy and gut-directed hypnotherapy are evidence-based treatments for IBS and have been shown to benefit patients' symptoms. Gut-directed hypnotherapy has even been shown to prolong remission in patients with ulcerative colitis. Through these treatment approaches, patients can learn to regulate their stress response and reprogram the brain to tune out unwanted pain signals from the gut. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the gut-brain connection. Remember, a healthy gut leads to a happier mind and body. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Connect with us on social media for daily tips on improving your gut health and enhancing your well-being.